If you want to charge other devices with your Xiaomi 15T Pro, what you can do is you can use, for example, a USB cable. Over here I have USB-C cable, and I can connect my Xiaomi 15T Pro to another device in order to charge the other device. Let's see if it's gonna work. There we go, we have charging of the other device quite easily. So this is what we can do in order to charge other devices. But what we can also do is we can use the wireless power sharing option. We can use the wireless power sharing option, so we can charge other devices wirelessly. To do so, we need to open settings and go to battery settings. And in here we have charging options. And there we go. We have reverse wireless charging, so we can turn it on. However, we need to have more battery than the charging limit. So in my case, the limit is 30%, but of course we can switch it to 20 or 40. So when the battery drops to the selected percentage, the reverse wireless charging will be deactivated. But once you have this option enabled, you can place another device on the back of your phone in order to start charging it. Keep in mind that the other device should support wireless charging, because of course otherwise it won't work. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.